The location of this property speaks for itself. This could be your last chance to buy a property on the Mornington Esplanade for under $1 million. I'm Jai Reid from O'Brien Real Estate in Mornington, and let's go inside and have a look. This home has been prepared just perfectly for the owner to move straight in or begin a holiday or permanent rental. This home will be open to view this coming Saturday, but if you need your own private inspection, call me directly and we'd be happy to help.